Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to continue our series on the Python. Today, we will learn about the sets, which is one of the data variable which is used to store the data. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. We can say that set is a collection of data or variables which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Unordered means we cannot be referred by its index as it is unordered. So if we use any index for retrieving the data in the and we will run it, for example, if you retrieve the data from index 0, if it comes to a, for example, and if the second you again refer to that index 0, it will give you another value. So that means the sets are unordered. It is unchangeable. It means once a set is created, you cannot change its item, but we can remove the items or add new items in it. Unindexed, it means do not allow the and also do not allow the duplicate values. Unindexed, as we have learned in the unordered one, the sets cannot be indexed as it is unordered, and sets do not allow the duplicate values. It is written with the curly brackets. Sets are always defined within the curly brackets. So let us start the practical implementation. For example, in this I have taken my set. This is nothing, just I have given the variable name. In this my set, I have assigned the values or given storing the values A, B, C, D, etc. And all these are given within the curly brackets. And after that, we are going to print. In this, we are using the print command, and in this print command we have passed this myset variable. So as we run this command, so it will print the text set. As you can see that we have given in the order A, B, C, D respectively, but when we have printed the set myset variable, it has changes the order. And if we again run this, you can see sometimes it will also give the different values as soon as you run the set. After that, if we want to see that how many length or how many words or characters are present in your set, you can use the len function. We have to specify it by using print, and within the print command we have used another function that is len, and in this len we have specified the variable that is myset. So this print command will print the length of this myset. So we will run this. Let's see, as you can see that in this we have provided 4 elements, that is A, B, C, D. So it has given the length as 4. Next we come to that what type of data types you can use or store in sets. As you can see that in this myset variable, within the curly brackets, I have given the A in the inverted commas, which is a string, 22, which is a numerical value, true, which is a Boolean value, and 3.1 is a float value. It means you can specify Boolean value, float values, integer, or a string within the set. Now we can print this, and all the values have been printed. If now we come to how to find the type of a set. Suppose you have specified the variable, and in this the value have given. As we can see that if we want to get the type of the myset variable, you can simply use the type function within the print function. As we run this, you can see that it will print the class it belongs to set. Now we come to first, that is how to access the items which are present within the set. We cannot access items in the set by referring to an index or a key. As you can see that it is unordered, so we cannot specify the index to the variables or to the elements which are in the set. But you can loop through the set items using a for loop. But you can use the for loop to access through the items. Also, we can check if the specified value or if any specified element is present in a set or not by simply using the keyword in. By using the in keyword, we will see that the specific item is present or not. For example, let's take an example. My set equals to a string 22 true, and all these values are given in the set. So first we will check for x in my set, means we are running a for loop to access the item, and in this we have used the in keyword in my set. Print x. So what we are going to do for x in print, for x in my set, print x. So it will print all the values in the my set. As you can see that we have run this code, and you can get the values true, 3.1, and all these values which is contained in the my set. After that, for example, if we want to check, this is the first example for this, to access the items by using the for loop, and the second example is for to check if any specific item is present or not. So for this, what we are using, we have given the set, and within the print function we have specified string b where element in my set, means we are asking to print if b is present in my set or not. So here you are using the in keyword. So as soon as we run this, it will show us false because b is not present in here. Similarly, if we provide a here, so what should it do? It will provide the true, as you can see. Now we come to second part, that how to change the items. As we can learn that we cannot change the items in the set, but we can add new items. So for this, we are going to use the add function. So how we can use it? For example, we have given set1. Set1 is nothing but just a variable name. In this, we have given the values book, pen, paper, PC, and etc. And if we want to add a new item, that is laptop, in this, we will use set1 dot add. Dot add means in this set1 variable dot add, we are calling the function add, and within this add function, we are providing the string or the element that we want to add. And after that, as soon as we print this function, you can see the laptop has been added. Now we come to the update function. We can add items from another set to a current set. Means if we are having the two sets, we can add one set items to the another set or the current set. For example, if we are creating the set 1 equals to book, pen, paper, PC, and we have created a set 2 which contains pencil, pen, and computer. So what we are going to add the items of set 1 to set 2. So for this, we are using the update function, that is set1 dot update. We are calling the update function, and in this update function, within the update function, we are passing the set2, means the set2 values are to be added to set1. And as soon as we print set1, because we have added the values in set1, you can see all the items of set2 are also added in this.